My name is Mike Calverley and I am the head of IT for Charlie Bigham's. I look after a team of 11 people that range from support and business change, basically everything from operations to transformational change. So Project Integrate was where we upgraded from Syspro 7 to Syspro 8. We needed to integrate with other solutions as part of Project Integrate, namely introducing codeless. We also wanted to introduce a new cloud printing solution. It enabled us to get cyber insurance and our Cyber Essentials Plus certification, and also a new cloud EDI solution, which was for orders in and invoices out. Previously, our EDI platform was failing on a weekly, daily basis, and that is critical because we make fresh food, and if you haven't got your orders coming in, you're not making your delicious fresh food that needs to be out that day. The introduction of the new EDI cloud platform now means that the orders are coming in on time every day, and I can trust that they will be there and I don't have to worry about it anymore.
My name is Sarah Elliott and I'm Programme and Change Manager here at Bigham's. My role involves managing programmes of work within Bigham's, mainly in the IT space, so bringing all stakeholders together and managing IT project delivery into the business. The internal stakeholders for Integrate were vast and were truly cross-functional, from finance, from commercial, from procurement, from operations, involved in process mapping, so understanding our current processes and where we were going to end up, and that informed change impact assessment as well, so how we were going to impact people's roles. Integrate has massively improved day-to-day life from an operations point of view, so there is less downtime, there is less infrastructure issues, meaning that kind of the operational teams can just crack on with day-to-day activity.
So my name's James Rees and I am the planning manager here at Quarry Kitchen Bigham's. So day-to-day jobs, making sure everything comes in, everything gets made, everything goes out. Project Integrate has saved us time. When we run our MRP, it's gone from approximately 25 minutes to 15 minutes, so we're saving 10 minutes, but we are also running MRP about 10 times a day, so over a day has saved us over an hour and a half.
So from an external stakeholder perspective, I work very closely with HIT Technology, with connecting to Syspro. We were one team, we formed a very strong team, cohesive team very quickly. To have them on site, to have them on hand, to talk in non-technical language to someone who's non-technical is brilliant and makes a huge difference.
I'm Andrew Longland, I'm the Managing Director of HIT Technology. So HIT Technology is a Syspro consultancy and support partner in the UK, and we support customers such as Charlie Bigham's. So Project Integrate has provided Charlie Bigham's with a platform of enablement that allows them to adopt new technology, take on new applications that are integrated with their ERP solution, and that then allows them to step into the future with technology.
I'd definitely say there's more confidence around working within Syspro now that we're on a stable platform, and that in turn makes us kind of happier to try different things and different ways of working.
So Syspro and Syspro 8 is the beating heart of the Charlie Bigham's business because it allows us to seamlessly integrate with the applications that we use today and the ones we're going to need to in the future.